People in Missouri will not have to get a passport just to fly within the U.S.
That's because Governor Greitens signed the Real ID bill. That means Missouri will soon offer licenses that do comply with Homeland Security standards. 41 Action News reporter Belinda Post is live at KCI this morning.
So, Belinda, would everyone in Missouri need to get a new license?
No, it doesn't force you to get a new license, but it does give you the option to get a Real ID compliant license, but those won't be available for another 18 months. The Real ID Act passed in 2001 after the terror attacks for a way for the federal government to set standards for ID cards. Missouri resisted because of privacy concerns, so the law that just passed will offer Missourians the chance to choose. Now, what's interesting is the Real ID Act actually won't take effect for several months. That actually happens after January 1st. Now, as I mentioned, those licenses in our state won't be available for well after that. So I talked with someone from the governor's office, and they say they are working right now with the federal government to try to get vouchers to go ahead and make sure that your Missouri license will work until then. But if that doesn't happen, you will have to get a passport to travel both in the United States and internationally if you choose to not get a new license. Reporting live from KCI, Belinda Post, 41 Action News Today.